Hey, what's up guys? So we are out here in Pound Town, USA, AKA Newburgh, Indiana, Fence Mayhem. And I'm gonna tell you what, so me and Sean King, we've been running around together for like 3 years. Every time I come around Sean King and the Mr.Fence Academy team, there's a new process to be learned. You think, I already know it all. Well, that's where you're wrong, that's where you're losing, that's where you're missing out, because Sean King never sleeps. Mr.Fence Academy 2023, it's different from 2022, and I can't wait for 2024 because I'm pretty sure we might be using drones to drop these things in. I don't know, I'm joking, of course, but look guys, we are driving vinyl fence today. We're not digging a single thing. We went from digging holes and putting 2 bags of concrete in those holes to then digging a little hole and then driving a post to now there's not even a little hole. They're literally driving fence posts and putting donuts, driving the donuts into the grass. It's freaking amazing. He used to say, we don't do this the same way that Grandpa did it. And like, that was cool because we had equalizers and straightaways. But now it's like on a whole nother, we're not even doing it like Dad did it. We're not even doing it like our uncle done it. The team next door, it's 10:15 in the morning. They're more than halfway done. I'm like, wow. And not a one of them sweating. They're having a good time. They're joking and they're doing a fabulous job. And they look like they're proud to be a part of this, you know? If you're trying to build a culture, trying to build a team, if you want to build a company that builds great fence over and over and over without killing people, this is the way, this is the future, this is where we're headed. So get involved with this, get involved with the Mr.Fence Academy, be here, bring your team, teach them how to do this stuff, invest in the equipment, invest in the products, put it to work. Pound Town, USA, baby, let's go.